95! 98! Uphill! Yeah!
Oh, iparok!
Cell under voltage protection. Oh! If you wanna build your dream scooter, I've got links and discount codes to every scooter and part I would actually use on strikers.com. Link in the description. So, I cooked my battery. Yeah. So, how did it happen? Well, it all started when John Wills came to me and said, hey, can I have your battery to put it on the backfire? I need a 72 volts battery and shit. And I was like, I guess, bro. It didn't end too well. Well, roll the clip, you'll see for yourself. Look at this beast. You have enough space to sleep on this thing. And there's Joy with my battery on the goofy vehicle. Don't crash, because if you crash, you'll ruin my battery. Oh my god, fucking hell. This scooter is so heavy. I'm gonna try power mode 1 first. Oh my days, holy brake. Bro, I'm scared of this thing. Okay, so power mode 1 is limited to like 10 kilometers per hour. Power mode 2, holy 30. Power mode 3. Holy shit! The e-brake is too hard. Bro, this thing is too strong and it's on power mode 3. 40, 47. Power mode 4. Oh my days! Okay, it's pretty stable. 60. It goes like 68. Power mode 5. Holy god, this thing is pretty stable. Oh my days, this thing is so powerful. 95! I never felt this kind of power in my life before. Your arms just stretch out of your body. 90! 92! 92.9! I should get a GPS speedometer too. Hold on. I mean, it's not as fast as the G2 Master, but it feels insanely powerful. The torque is just... What do you mean max speed 150? Okay, let's wait for the cars to pass and we're gonna go flying. I'm ready.
It was nice knowing you, bro.
Let's fly, but not fly high. Mom! Whoa, 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 whoa. 108! The scooter is screaming! This thing feels like a tank. This is totally safe, by the way. It says max speed 150 for some reason. Barely tapping the throttle, by the way.
I know, it just takes off. It just takes off.
Oh my god! 98! 98! Uphill! For f***'s sake, why would you need this much power on a scooter? Bro is behind. What took you so long? Nah, that's fine. It's alright. Not great, not terrible. Holy shit. I can gap you, bro. Calm down. Top speed on the GSPACE Mars GTR. Oh my days. 112. 117! The crazy part is that my G2 Master is still faster. Bro, you won't believe how much the display showed. I don't think this scooter ever went this fast before. 117, bro. John Wills wanna take me somewhere. This scooter is just everything a scooter can have to the power of 10. The feeling when you push the throttle on this beast, it feels like your horizon is stretching, bro. Like, my G2 Master doesn't pull like this, but no, it's fast. This is what living the life looks like. This place just looks so cool, and riding this scooter here feels amazing, but this scooter is just a beast. Oh my days, it feels like I'm riding on clouds. Bro is just yapping. Oh my god. 30? What do you mean 30? 30? No. This road looks so cool. Yeah! Oh my days. Oh my days. Imagine I hit top speed in here. Bro, I almost went full speed in that turn. Yeah, I almost went flying. Oh, the GSPACE on off-road. Yo, flotation device. I don't think we're allowed here. I mean, the sign is not readable. Bro, I bet if you go full speed at a wall with this thing, you'll just go through the wall. I never felt this kind of power in my life. Like, not in anything. Not in a car, not on a scooter, not on anything. I didn't feel this kind of power before. Or at least I don't remember. Let me see how much voltage your battery has. I wanna see if everything's fine. Damn, you're eating it. 58%. You're eating it. It's our battery. Oh, wobble, wobble, wobble. I'm edging physics right now. This feels like a toy. Oh, it's strong. The brakes are not that good on this. Okay, I take it back. This scooter is strong. You don't really have space on the deck on this scooter. 67 kilometers per hour. Feels like 100 on this scooter. Because the frame is so small, 75. It's powerful, I'll give you that. But the frame is so small, I'm not confident going fast on this. The bigger the frame, the bigger the confidence. You now have a meteorite strapped to your scooter. I think it's stable because it has the front end kind of looks like the G30 9-bot speed forks. Full throttle. 85, 86.
He's coming in hot. He's coming in hot.
86. 86, bro.
You hit that pile of dirt right there, bro. I actually thought you were gonna like...
I'm fine. Bro, this thing here still has 100%. Oh my days! 95! 98! 101!
Yo, he's on the GSPACE. Oh, dude, that was insane! It sounded like a fighter jet.
If you wanna have fun, just get a ridiculously fast scooter. Something is on fire, bro. Should we go check? I think someone set something on fire on purpose. I think they're just burning trash. Told ya, they're burning trash. He's doing a wheelie, and I can hear his brake from a mile away. I'm not even pushing the throttle, and it's accelerating because it's so heavy, and I'm downhill. Oh my days, I thought I lost my GoPro. Oh my god, this looks majestic. This place is amazing, bro. Yeah, the wind is pushing you off the scooter. It's gonna fly past me, I just know it. Do your thing, Joy. Meow. Hey! I mogged that G2, or was it a G2? I don't know. Did you see that guy sitting on that bench? He had a scooter. He got absolutely mogged. What spaceships are they riding, bro? Hydrogen bomb versus coughing baby. This is like the top speed of the G2 Master stock. So with the stock G2 Master, I got about 62 on GPS, 67 on the display. I wanna deal with that. I think they're coming. Yeah. We should run, bro. I mean, it's not like I can't run from dogs on this thing. Oh, shit, we're doing off-road. Ow, 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 ow. Yeah, street is better. This scooter has a turning radius of a boat. Who made this? GSPACE. What the hell did you put in this scooter?
Oh, it cut it off.
Oh.
Oh, it cut it off. Bro, it's...
Oh, no.
Shut off.
Hold on, let me check the BMS app. Cell under voltage protection. Oh no. No, that's not the main problem. I think it's bad, bro. Have a look at this.
Dude, your cells are unbalanced.
No, they are good, but this pack.
Bro, what happened to that pack?
I think one of the cells desoldered from the vibrations. Oh my god, my battery needs fixing. That cell group is at 3 volts. Oh man, my battery is so cooked. We use the strap from the battery, and the battery will just stay on the deck and you sit on it like this. Oh my god, emergency rescue mode. Oh, it wasn't supposed to happen. Bro, this scooter is so heavy it just starts rolling back. Does it have a parking brake? My battery is kinda batteryless on here. Look, this is so sketchy. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm trying to not die in here. Fun for you, not fun for me. Oh my days, my battery is gone. Oh! Aircraft carrier? What do you mean? Bro, the walk of shame, bro. We were mogging them. Now we're getting mogged. Ooh. Oh my god. My battery just got completely toasted in here. I will try to fix it, but I don't know. It says cell group 4 is unbalanced. Damn, this sucks. So, let's fix it. Let's see what's wrong with this thing. So I just gotta take it apart. Oh my days, but I put so much tape on this thing. My battery is kinda balanceless. This thing is an angry brick of electricity, bro. Okay, so I suppose cell group 4 is somewhere here in the front. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The welds seem fine on this side, so the issue might be on the front. I mean, on the top. Deadass. All of the welds are fine. But I just measured each group with a multimeter, and they are literally perfectly balanced. My BMS tripping. Thank God, bro, my cells are fine. Yeah, turns out the problem is actually the BMS. Who would have thought? Thank God, bro. Thank God it's the BMS and not the cells. This is gonna be a pretty much easy fix. It's just, I need a new BMS. This was almost bad. Holy shit.